In this episode, we explore one of the most disarming forces on the planet, cuteness. It sounds innocent, harmless, even healing. But beneath that warm, reaction lies a psychological system older than language itself. A biological code designed to hijack attention, amplify emotion, and trigger care. And in the digital age, this ancient instinct has become the internet's most powerful weapon. Act 1. The Science of Cuteness. In the 1940s, ethologist Konrad Lorenz coined the term Kindchenschema, the baby schema. Large eyes, round faces, small noses, soft voices. Every feature of a baby, human or animal, activates a reflex in the adult brain, a surge of oxytocin, empathy, and protection. It's nature's survival mechanism, a biological command to care. But today, this instinct doesn't just help infants survive. It fuels billions of clicks, shares, and views. When you see a baby panda sneeze, your brain's reward circuitry lights up like it's witnessing a miracle. That instant hit of dopamine feels pure, and the algorithm knows it. Act 2. The algorithm knows you better than you do. The platforms that dominate our attention, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, have learned to feed this instinct like a drug. They know that a single clip of a baby penguin waddling can keep you scrolling for minutes longer than a motivational speech. This isn't accidental. It's engineered empathy. Every frame, every sound, every soft blink is optimized to keep you hooked. Cuteness bypasses logic. It bypasses skepticism. It's one of the few emotions that can't be faked. And that's exactly why it's so effective in manipulating trust. Act 3. The Moo Deng Effect. In 2024, a tiny hippo named Moo Deng became a global sensation in Thailand. She wore pearls, ate noodles, and smiled for the camera. Within days, millions were obsessed. But the Moo Deng Effect wasn't just about one hippo. It was about the collective hypnosis that happens when innocence meets virality. The more we watched, the more our emotions were trained, not to feel joy, but to seek it in pixels. The world wasn't falling in love with Moo Deng. It was falling in love with the chemical illusion of connection. Act 4. The Emotional Trap. Behind every viral animal clip lies a deeper mechanism, emotional conditioning. When you associate happiness with the internet's curated innocence, you become emotionally dependent on it. Every scroll becomes a search for the next dopamine hit, the next cute rescue, the next tiny smile. And this dependency is profitable. Marketers, influencers, and corporations use cuteness as a weapon of soft persuasion, selling products, ideas, even beliefs, by attaching them to innocence. This is the dark side of empathy, when it becomes currency. Act 5. Awareness is power. Cuteness isn't the enemy. It's a mirror, showing us how programmable our emotions can be. The next time a video melts your heart, pause for a second. Ask yourself, is this joy mine, or was it designed for me? Awareness doesn't destroy wonder. It simply puts your attention back in your hands. Have you ever caught yourself endlessly scrolling because of one cute video? If this episode helped you see the unseen forces shaping your emotions, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments.